Alright, we're back again. Okay, so we got our cam cover. The motor. Stuck one over here in case they're pinched on the rag. Nice. Okay, the cases are not bolted together. I think we need to do something about that. When you're wobbling around, you can't get a very good job. We'll put our two dowel studs in. Okay, cases are pulled together. Crank rotates. Looks like all the bearings are falling out. Oh, cage is back in. That's good. Okay, let's put a few parts together here. That down in there. Springy dingy. Let's see, need the oil pump gear first. Where's the oil pump gear? I forget how tight this goes on. It probably goes on tight as hell like that. Pretty much. Let's see, I can't have all that on there because I won't be able to get them apart. This will not go through the case. All this other stuff, I think will go through the case. I'm not 100% sure of that. On a newer bike it'll go through. I'm not sure about this old one. Find out. Mark. Close enough we need. Okay. Another washer. That there. I haven't put the breather in yet. Why not? Hey, it fits. One part fit. Amazing. Okay, here's our jump cam. Put the washer down there. Put a little bit of oil on the cam, it'll hold the washer on. Find your marks. Those are really faint marks. There's marks. Okay, marks all line up. I don't care about that one really. Okay. Put that in there just for the hell of it. I'm missing a big gear that goes here. There we go. Another spacer. Need a gasket. Let's see, where's the gasket at? Haven't had a gasket yet? Oh, I would imagine we had a gasket at some point for this job. Probably the one over here with the gaskets. It's a good place to find your gasket with the rest of your crap. There you go. No dowels. Ew. Flips all over the place. Put that on there just to see what happens. Okay. Cam cover. About that big. Polished. Yes. Found it. Over here. Hold the gasket in the right spot. Oh, we can't mock it up like this because of the pinion shaft. We have no pinion shaft. We have to ream this bushing so we can't have the shaft and it won't fit. So we can't mock it up like this. Hey dumbass, don't do that. We have to take the right case off to do this. That's what happens to get too many phone interruptions. Forget what the hell you're doing. This will be the next thing we do after we get the pinion shaft reamed. Then we can do the cam. We're out of order. We can lie and say we're just checking the case fit, make sure the bolts work. Sounds like a good plan. Nobody will know the difference. Who's paying attention out there? Okay, I'm gonna love tap right here on the take apart spot. Kind of like that. And it goes right over there like that on the ground. It does come off. Wasn't 100% sure if it would. It did. Okay. Now we'll do our mock-up again. Everything's in there except for that part. But that's why I got the cam pretty tight, so nothing really moves. Gaskets around here somewhere. It's a lot easier to put this on now because the gasket will stay put. Let's see, the breather washer fell off. Nobody put oil on it. Like that. Now we go ahead and lock this thing up. We're not going down. Right here it's buckling. So what's right there